two identical solid cubes of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end. That means the structure will look like this. Okay, so somehow managed to draw this. Fine, yeah. So we have two cubes, they are attached end to end. So we have the side given to be 5. That means this will be 5, this will be 5. The breadth and height will be 5. This whole length will now become 10. So now once the two cubes are merged, the new shape what you will be getting is a cuboid whose length is 10, breadth is 5, height is 5. Question: then what is the total surface area of the resulting cuboid? Now this resulting cuboid's TSA we have to find. So what is TSA? TSA is basically 2 times of LB plus LH plus BH. Here L is 10, B is 5, height is 5. So LB 50 plus LH 50 plus BH 25. 10 5s are 10 5s are 5 5s are 10. That means this will be twice of 50 50 25 125. This is going to be 250. So centimeter. So TSA, its total surface area 250 centimeters square should be the right answer. Where is that? Option B should be the right answer. Easy question. Yes, we are absolutely right. Option B, 250 centimeters square is the right answer.